am removing the rear part of the bumper, the front bumper. I had a bunch of plastic set into it that holds in the grille and the fog light fins and the fog lights. And so when I wanted to get it wrapped, I removed that to make it easier for the guy doing the job, so that it wouldn't get in the way, or he wouldn't have to cut the plastic or anything. That took quite a long time, actually. I was there for a good couple hours trying to figure out how it all comes apart, but eventually I did. Moved on to working on sanding and priming the corners of the bumper for some kitty hair, which is just a fiberglass reinforced Bondo. And then I acetone some of the paint left over on the grill and fins because the car got hit, and when the car was hit, they just sprayed over. They did a really bad prep job and the paint went everywhere, so I had to remove some of it so it would look a little cleaner. So this is the next morning. This was the day I was taking the bumper to get wrapped, actually, and my dad came in the night prior to help me Bondo because I was really bad at it, believe it or not. So he helped me, and then this next morning here, I'm just sanding it down again and making sure that it's all ready to go to get it wrapped.
Everybody pass right this way. Everybody pass right this way.
All right, here it is. So it took about a week to get done with the wrap. Turned out pretty well. The color on it actually was really good. I really like the depth it has. In sunlight, it looks a lot brighter, and then in the shade, it looks a lot darker. I really like it. I kind of like how it changes. It's super dirty right now, so I won't get too close. But it looks really good. Got my diffuser on. You really can't see it. It's too dark, but new diffuser's on there. Looks clean. We're getting a lot of looks in this thing as of recently, now that it is green and not white. And the badgeless grill turned out super good. Some bugs on the front there, but it looks so smooth. I'm really happy with how that ended up looking. It's just, first of all, I'm proud of the work that we did on it, and just proud of how it looks. It looks very smooth with the headlight, how the red flows right into the grill. Red, it matched up perfectly. So it looks really good. Overall, very happy with it. Would never do it again. It's a lot of work and kind of sucked to do. Very time sensitive, and a lot of sanding, which was awful. But yeah, here it is. She's looking real nice. It's driving good again, which is great. Yeah, that's about it.